that CBI has filed a petition against Mamata Banerjee, Kalyan Banerjee and Minister Malay Ghatak. In fact, Mamata has been made party to the case. CBI has highlighted the misconduct on part of the Chief Minister and has appealed to the special court that bail verdict be nullified. That's the update that we have for you at this point in time. It is a 123-page petition that Times Now has accessed, and CBI has filed this petition against Mamata Banerjee, Kalyan Banerjee and Minister Malay Ghatak as far as the NADA issue is concerned. Remember, the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself had reached the CBI office soon after two of her cabinet's ministers and two other leaders were picked up by the CBI in the NADA case. She was in the CBI office for a few hours and there was high drama that happened outside too. And now we are learning that CBI has filed a petition against the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, Kalyan Banerjee and Minister Malay Ghatak as well. Mamata Banerjee has been made a party to this case. CBI simultaneously has also highlighted the misconduct on part of the Chief Minister. This happened on the day two of the ministers of Mamata's cabinet, in fact, were picked up by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the Narda case. And CBI has also appealed to the special court that bail verdict be nullified, has appealed that the entire matter be transferred to the High Court. Tamal Saha joining us on the broadcast more on this. Tamal, big development there. CBI filing a petition against the Chief Minister.
Well, that's right. In fact, this is a breaking development and the news breaking here first on Times Now. It's a petition which has been filed by the DSP of the CBI against Mamata Banerjee, against Kalyan Banerjee and against Malay Ghatak. Why Mamata Banerjee? Because Mamata Banerjee had gone to the CBI office on 17th, on 17th of May, the day when Firhad Hakim, Shobhan Chatterjee and Subrata Mukherjee and also Madan Mitra were arrested. Why Kalyan Banerjee? Because Kalyan Banerjee had also gone inside the CBI office, allegedly had misbehaved. And Malay Ghatak, why? Because Malay Ghatak had gone to the courtroom and allegedly had met with the registrar. So on these three grounds, the petition has been filed, and the petition clearly suggests that Mamata Banerjee had apparently threatened the CBI officers, had tried putting up pressure, and she had sat on a dharna for good 6 hours. The petition goes on to say that Malay Ghatak had gone inside the courtroom, and the petition goes on to say that Kalyan Banerjee had misbehaved with the officers. So essentially, a matter which was supposed to be only a bail plea and recall of bail application has simply become complicated, with CBI mounting pressure and also questioning the conduct of the Chief Minister. If I can just quote what the petition says, it says, thousands of followers of the arrested leaders and Trinamool Congress laid a siege of the CBI building at the office premises of Nizam Palace, Kolkata 20. They also resorted to heavy stone pelting. Even a battery of lawyers led by Shri Kalyan Bandyopadhyay MP forcefully entered the CBI office and started heckling the CBI officers and staff, including the head of branch, anti-corruption branch, CBI Kolkata. The CBI officials were threatened with